910 East Joplin Lane, located in Eagle, Idaho. The first thing I'm going to tell you is why this is the home you need in the gated community of Lakemore. This is a complete custom smart home with oversized doors and 20-foot ceilings, giving the home a nice open feel. There are large sliding glass doors that lead to a covered back patio and a fully fenced backyard. This would be the perfect place to hang out after a day on the Boise River or the Greenbelt. The gas fireplace in the living room really stands out with large tiles that go all the way up to the ceiling. Here in the kitchen, you'll notice the stunning porcelain waterfall countertops and the high-end Thermador appliances, including a cooled ice and drink drawer. The main bedroom is located on the first floor, giving you plenty of privacy from the second two bedrooms. Some of the customization in this home includes the very modern lighting. The two-car garage has epoxy floors and so many additional storage spaces, including bike racks, places for paddle boards, kayaks. You can really store anything in this garage. Now that we've seen the house, let's go check out the community. Lakemore has sporting pavilions, 2 community pools, and several ponds. You're located just 1.1 miles from the Greenbelt. If you're looking for a house that's close to everything, you might want to check out 910 East Joplin.